Hello everyone, I am back again today to do a new project and we are going to do is decoupage on glass bottle. For example, I'm saying you can use glass bottle, but in case if you don't have glass bottle, please go ahead use something plastic also. It's really working. This same technique you can try on plastic, metal, glass, anything. So the simple way to do is we have to use depends on the glass or plastic. You have to use different paint. For example, in glass you can use porcelain and glass paint in both. In plastic, please go ahead and use only glass paint also working, but it's not really fitting. Sometimes it can peel and come. So use acrylic paint. It's perfectly fitting, nothing. So if you don't have glass bottles like this way, you can always use a plastic bottles or anything like a metal something. So of course you can use acrylic paint on those. For glass you can use only glass or porcelain paint. For wood or plastic bottles you can go ahead and use acrylic paint. So this is the project we are going to do. If you see this one, it's very easy. Paint, and we need tissues and glue. So remember, we need paint. It depends what you're using acrylic paint for on plastic bottles. For glass paint, glass bottles only. So if you see, this is the project we will be doing. I will just keep it in the side so I don't want to break it, because those are belongs to my students. And this is the studio one. If you see, it's very nice, the vase. So this is a glass vase. So we use, you can see, decoupage, flowers and nice things. So I will keep that also on the side. Step number one, you take paint. So for example, I'm using Marabu. If you see, Marabu. In this one, I have glass paint and porcelain paint. Both you can try on glass. It's really working. So I'm going to use these two. So what did I do? First, I need just sponge, like this way. The bottle that you're using, make sure you take it, wash it very well. Use a wet wipe or anything, clean everything. So there shouldn't be any kind of fingerprints or anything. So once you clean it, see the way I'm holding with a tissue. I'm not holding direct the bottle, because sometimes we have moisturizing in our hands and that can go to the bottle. It will be very not, when you do the painting, it will be not sticking on the bottle. So always wipe it and hold it from the top and the below like this way, then it's fine. So the sponge you will take, I use normal recycle sponge like from the kitchen, whatever that I don't want to use for washing, I just cut it and use sponge, and I will just do the sponging technique on the bottle. You can use, depends whatever the color you like. You can use light color, dark color, it's up to you. So if you feel like the paint layer is not too thick, you can go for 2 times. Wait till it get dry, repeat again, so it will have much more thicker line. So the sponging effect is the only effect that we need. So brushing you can do, of course you take a brush and brush it, you can do it, but sponging is much more nicer. You get a bubble effect. If you see it, it's very nice. So all these materials done with sponging technique, because that is the easy and nice way. So I'm done with the sponging. I used a small bottle, so I want to show you how to do it. So this is the way it will be done. So this sponge I will just not keep in the side, so it will be dry and hard, you cannot use again, so you have to throw it. So it's a better way, keep a glass of water, just put to the glass inside. See, you can later, it will be soaked in the water and later it will get clean. It's easy for you. So leave the glass in a side to dry. During that time, you take any kind of tissue. These are normal kitchen tissues that you can find on market like IKEA or supermarkets, anywhere, with flowers or different patterns. Some have flowers, some have fairies, like kids birthday party section. You can go and take anything. So I will cut some flowers out of this one, if you see. So I'm already cut half of that. So I'm going to cut more flowers out of this one. So the middle one, I will go around it. So I'm going to cut the flower around it. So I will not leave any white color parts, because I do not need any white color parts. So because this need to be dry, the bottle, so during that time we will do the tissue cutting. In case if you don't have tissue, so you can use a normal white color tissue and draw something that you like, whatever the pattern you like, and then you can use for cutting. So because most of the time if you cannot find any flowers, tissues or anything. If you see now, I'm cutting all around it and I'm removing all the extra white color parts because I don't want that one. Like this way, I just cut the flower and took it. So if you see all the white color extra parts I removed, I don't need any white color parts, that's why. So once you've done it, you have to remove every tissue have two sides, you know, there's a white colored back side, so you don't need that one. You just need to make sure you peel it off, slowly remove without damaging your flower that you spend a lot of time to cut. So this is the time you really need nails. If not, it's very hard to remove it. Okay, it came out. So, peel it. This part we don't need the nut, so we just throw it in aside. And I took this one. So now this is already done and I left it to dry. What I will be doing is use normal glue. Remember, if you don't have much Mod Podge, you can always go and use white color glue. It's totally fine. So I'm going to use normal glue, white color one. So apply in the bottle. Don't be scared. Just anywhere that you like to put your tissues, just apply on that area. So, and remember, your glue brush should be softer. So to make it softer, make sure you put the glue brush in hot water. Do not leave it outside and use, because you're using a tissue that's very soft. You can damage your tissue. So what I will do, so these are the ones that I already cut and kept. I will just, once I apply glue, I will just keep it slowly without rushing. So now what I will do, now this brush, I will go over it slowly. Look at it. Take your time, don't rush. And remember, do not press it. You go softly over the tissue. You can damage the tissue. That's why. So it's better, do it slowly. Do not rub it. Don't worry about the glue. Once it gets dry, you will not see any glue parts. So if you see, it's almost done. So little bit. But I have more flowers. I'm going to apply all the flowers. I cut a butterfly also before, so I'm going to use that one. Like this way. So If you see, I almost have, I don't want to keep anything empty areas, that's why I'm just applying some butterflies or more flowers that I already cut. Remember to apply glue over the tissue without pressing because it's need to be sealed. So the glue is the thing that makes the paint and the tissue sealed. That's why I think it's almost done. Don't worry about the glue, it can apply everywhere. Once it gets dry, it will be not showing, so you do not need to be worried about the glue too much. So I'm almost done. So your finishing project should be look like this way. What we did, first we took the glass bottle, we clean it very well, and if you have little bit alcohol, you can use the alcohol to wipe it, the glass bottle. If not, it's normal washing also fine. And once you clean it, do not touch the bottle. You're only touching from up, from the bottom and the up part, that's it. So once it's done, you can clean and leave it. Use a sponge to paint, or you can of course use the brush also, but it take time and it take time to dry. That's why we're using the sponge, and that bubble effect is so amazing, that's why. So once your project is done, you can use the glass paint or porcelain paint for the glass bottles. If you're using a plastic bottle, please go ahead and use acrylic paint only. That is the only thing will be help for you. So once your work is done, cut some tissues and stick it on the bottle. So you can use normal white glue or Mod Podge, it's up to you. So make sure you apply a little bit extra glue onto the bottle. If you see my project, I have a little bit extra glue here because the glue is the one that seals the tissue. It will be not coming off away. So it's the best thing, apply a little bit extra glue without putting pressure, and make sure your glue brush be softer. So use hot water to the glue brush so it will be much more softer when you're using it. So thank you so much for watching me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's project. See you tomorrow with a new one. Thank you.